Welcome to your guide on marriage registration in Hong Kong through a civil celebrant of marriages. As a vibrant global city, Hong Kong offers a streamlined and flexible process for couples to solemnize their union legally and memorably. Whether you envision an intimate ceremony at a scenic venue or a simple office gathering, a civil celebrant, typically a qualified solicitor or notary public, provides personalized support from notice to celebration. Let us walk through the essential procedures, ensuring your journey to I Do is seamless and compliant with the Marriage Ordinance. First, the foundation, giving your notice of intended marriage. Under Hong Kong law, one of you must submit this notice to the Registrar of Marriages, either directly at a marriage registry or conveniently through your appointed civil celebrant. This form requires details such as your full names, dates of birth, occupations, addresses, and marital status, along with supporting documents like passports or Hong Kong identity cards. If either party is under 21, parental consent via Form MR4 is mandatory, authenticated if submitted from abroad. Once submitted, the notice must be exhibited for at least 15 clear days. If all requirements are met, the registrar issues a Certificate of Registrar of Marriages, valid for 3 months from the notice date. Your civil celebrant will coordinate this, ensuring no delays. Now, the heart of the process, celebrating your marriage. Unlike registry-only options, a civil celebrant allows ceremonies at virtually any location in Hong Kong, be it a private garden, hotel ballroom, or law office, excluding marriage registries and licensed places of worship. Engage your celebrant early to select a venue and date within the certificate's validity period. The ceremony requires your presence, along with 2 witnesses, and must include declarations of free consent and vows as prescribed by law. Fees vary, but many celebrants offer all-inclusive packages covering notice filing and a modest office wedding. Post-ceremony, your civil celebrant registers the marriage at the Marriage Registration and Records Office, issuing a legally binding certificate equivalent to those from government registries. This document is essential for updating records, visas, or name changes. For international couples, note that Hong Kong recognizes valid foreign marriages, but local registration ensures full legal recognition here. In summary, partnering with a civil celebrant simplifies Hong Kong's marriage process, from notice to vows in as little as 30 days. Congratulations on this profound commitment. May your shared future be filled with harmony and joy.
葉謝鄧，你的法律服務伙伴。